To be honest, I have loved G-Shock since my first watch. They are tough, durable, and instantly give your wrist a presence. Today we are checking out the GA-400, a big dial street-style watch that also handles outdoor use perfectly. I own a DW5D600, simple and classic. GA-2100 is thin and stylish. GA-100 has a big dial perfect for sports, and GA-400 is my pick for street style. The dial is big, the knob control is smooth, and it has everything from stopwatch to world time. Wearing the GA-400, it really stands out. The dial is bold, looks amazing with casual or sporty outfits. The stopwatch, countdown, and world time functions are right at your fingertips. I upgraded my GA-400 with a HEMSUT 16mm quick-release strap. Nylon and genuine leather materials make it durable and stylish. It instantly gives the watch a fresh look and more character than the standard silicone strap. Installing it is super easy. Align the spring bar with the watch lug, press gently until it clicks in place. Repeat on the other side. The quick release design makes it hassle-free. Check it out. GA-400 with the HEMSUT strap is not only durable, but looks amazing. Whether for sports or daily wear, your wrist instantly stands out. Which G-Shock is your favorite? DW5600, GA-2100, or GA-400? Comment below and let me know. Follow for more watch upgrades and street style inspiration.